Good morning, students. Hello. What is this? This is gloves. Why I am using this in this season? It is winter season. No, this is rainy season. So then we wear in which season? Winter season. So today our topic is different clothes in different seasons. Okay, students. Okay, before starting our topic, take your book, notebook, pencil, box with you. Okay, students. As you know, we have three seasons. How many seasons? Three seasons, three main seasons: summer, winter, and rainy. And according to seasons, we wear clothes. So, in summer season, we use cotton clothes. Like boys use t-shirts, shorts, girls use frock. Okay, students. In winter season, we use sweater, gloves, scarves, and in rainy season, we use umbrella, raincoat, and gumboot. Okay. Today our topic is different clothes in different season. But before this, yesterday we were reading why we need clothes, how many types of fiber. So let's have a quick revision. All of you open chapter 2, page number 8. As you know, student, clothes are our basic need. Basic need means daily, like food is also our basic need. Shelter is also our basic need. Clothes protect us from wind, heat, cold, rain, and dust. And yesterday I told you, student, clothes are made from fiber. Fibers are how many types? Two types: natural fiber and man-made fiber. Natural fiber examples are cotton, wool, silk, and leather. And man-made fiber examples are nylon, polyester, and plastic also. Okay. Now we will start our topic. Clothes in different season. Different type of clothes in different season. So all of you open page number 9. Okay. We wear cotton clothes in summer. In summer season, we wear cotton clothes. Why we wear cotton clothes in summer season? Why? Anyone? Guess it? Okay. In summer season, we wear cotton clothes because cotton keep us our body cool. They keep us cool. Okay. Cotton clothes keep us cool. That's why we wear cotton clothes in summer season. In winter season, we wear woolen clothes like sweater, coat, cap, scarves, socks, and woolen socks and gloves also. Why? Because they keep us warm. In winter season, the weather is cold. The weather is very chilled sometimes. So we wear woolen clothes because they keep us our body warm. Next, in rainy season. This season is rainy season. We use umbrella, raincoat, and gumboots. We wear raincoat and gumboot when it rains. We also use an umbrella to protect ourselves from rain also. Okay, student? Now, see here and put finger on your box. We wear cotton cloths in summer. When we wear cotton cloths? In summer. They keep us cool. We wear woolen cloths in winter. When we wear woolen cloths? In winter. They keep us warm. Okay. We wear raincoats and gumboots when it rains. We also use an umbrella to protect ourselves from rain. Okay, students, here are some pictures of cotton cloth, woolen cloth, umbrella, raincoat and gumboot. Okay, now turn the page number 10. Our next topic is cloths at different times. Next topic is clothes at different times. Okay, students. Okay, student. At home we wear comfortable clothes like t-shirts, shorts, frock, kurta pajama are some of the clothes that we generally wear at home. When we sleep, we wear loose clothes, loose fitting clothes. Some people wear special clothes called uniform on duty. Uniform on duty. These clothes are suitable for the kind of work they do. We wear school uniform when we go to school. Suppose you are coming in school on which dress? Your school uniform. Not an ordinary uniform. Not an ordinary dress. When you come to school, you should come in proper uniform, proper school uniform. Okay, students? So, different clothes at different times. Now, let us read. All of you open page number 10 and put finger on your book. At home, we wear comfortable clothes. Which type of clothes at home? Comfortable clothes. Example of comfortable clothes are t-shirt, shorts, frock and kurta pajama are some of the clothes that we generally wear at home. When we sleep, we wear loose fitting clothes. Which type of clothes at bedtime? Loose fitting clothes. Some people wear special clothes called uniform. Special clothes are called what we call uniform. These clothes are suitable for the kind of the work they do. Suppose doctors wear that white coat, use white coat, and policemen use their khaki vardi. Say no, khaki vardi or police suit. Students wear students uniform. Nurse wear nurse uniform. Okay. We wear school uniform when we go to school. Okay. Our next topic is people engaged in making clothes, and last topic is taking care of the clothes. In next video, we will continue our last two topic, people engaged in making clothes and taking care of the clothes. So, today your homework is different clothes in different season. All of you learn it, read it, and clothes at different times also read it. Okay, students? Okay. And now it's time to leave. Stay home. Stay safe. Thank you. Bye-bye.